Are you on the hunt for a method to completely automate your trading? You've arrived at the right place. The transition to TradingView for comprehensive analysis and auto trading capabilities using Python scripting has been nothing short of a success. The proof lies in the pudding, with TradingView's administrators and moderator editors selecting my analyses twice in the months of September and October. This recognition is no small feat, being handpicked by the largest trading platform and a renowned social media platform for investing and trading. The past month alone has seen a confirmed track record of self-autonomous trading, with an impressive 9% return. This includes involvement in the unpredictable yet rewarding world of cryptocurrency trading. Moreover, the support extends to Interactive Brokers, the largest retail broker, which boasts a presence in over 150 markets worldwide. In addition, there's the strategic use of Kraken, a reliable and secure cryptocurrency exchange based in the United States. The offer on the table is a permanent lifetime membership. This package is for those ready to take the leap and fully automate their trading with the options provided. As part of this deal, there's also the opportunity to leverage Substack for deep analysis, with a 7-day trial for those curious to dip their toes in the water. The focus here is on forward-looking data to choose ultra-low volatile trading assets, a key factor in ensuring positive returns. Further, this offer includes ETF deep analysis across more than 60 market sectors, along with reliable analyses of hot-flowing capital across the globe. This has proven in recent months to be a reliable indicator of where the hot currencies will emerge in the event of an extreme downturn. To recap, all of this is included in one low price for a lifetime with our quantlabs.net elite membership, now featuring TradingView. Should you have any queries about this limited time offer, please don't hesitate to get in touch. A prompt response to your questions is guaranteed. So, are you ready to take control of your trading future? The tools for success are within your reach.